from the Chico Basin Ranch.
Our experience here revolves around education, people wanting to learn about horsemanship skills, learning about the ecosystem, the business aspects of ranching, the day-to-day maintenance and upkeep that it takes. The wildlife on the ranch is very wide because of the green. You have this stream that goes the whole length. There's a lot of grass, a lot of green, from the water, and so there's a lot of deer and antelope and coyotes and badgers, and all the prairie animals are real healthy because there's such a diverse ecosystem on the ranch.
Go back and forth into these. Gotcha. And so maybe if the two of you went up and just traveled on this one.
The ranch is 87,000 acres, and it's rolling prairie with streams. Our country, compared to the rest of the world, is a brand new country, and so we have very few traditions, and ranching is one of the few traditions that our country has. So what we're interested in is reconnecting with part of our national heritage, one of the great traditions our country has.